In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use quote blocks in Squarespace 7.1. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to Website, then Pages. This is where you manage the content and structure of your site. From there, choose the page you want to update. Once you are on the correct page, click Edit in the top left corner. This will open the page editor so you can make changes directly to the layout. Next, move to the area where you want the quote to appear. In Squarespace 7.1, you can add a new block by clicking the insert point, which may appear as a plus icon depending on the section and layout you are working in. If you see a lock-style insert control in your version of the editor, use that to open the block menu. The goal here is simply to open the list of available content blocks. When the block menu appears, select Quote. Squarespace will add a new quote block to the page. After that, drag and drop the block into the exact position where you want it in your layout. This is helpful if you want the quote to sit between text sections, alongside an image, or in a place where it stands out as a testimonial or featured statement. Once the block is in the right spot, click the pencil edit icon on the block frame. This opens the settings panel for the quote block, where you can customize the content. In the quote text box, type or paste the quote you want to display. This could be a testimonial, a customer review, or a short phrase you want to highlight on the page. Keep it clear and easy to read, especially if it is meant to draw attention. Then go to the source text box and enter the author name, title, or organization connected to the quote. This gives the quote context and helps make it feel more credible and complete. If the quote is being used as a testimonial, the source line is a good place to identify who said it in a simple, professional way. When everything looks right, click Save in the top left corner of the main workspace. This publishes your changes and pushes the quote live on the page. That is all there is to it.